Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. I hope you all are doing great. Let us read something which is going to be really interesting today. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. The name of today's wonderful story is The Power of Forgiveness. And please be with me till the end of the video. I have brought a few questions and answers for you. Now get ready. Let us read it together. Once upon a time, there lived a kind old man named Hari. Every day, he would stroll to the park and feed the birds. One day, a mischievous boy named Rahul stole Hari's wallet. When Hari discovered this, he approached Rahul. Instead of taking revenge, he shared stories of his own youth. Touched by the old man's kindness, Rahul returned the wallet. He realized the true wealth of compassion. He learned that forgiveness and kindness are the greatest virtues. The moral of the story is forgiveness and kindness have the power to mend even the most stubborn hearts. This was really a short and sweet story. I hope you all enjoyed it. Now let us have some questions and answers. Are you all ready? First question. Why did Rahul steal Hari's wallet? And I'm sure you all know the answer. Let us check it. The answer is Rahul stole the wallet out of mischief and impulsiveness. Are you all right? Good job. Next question. How did Hari react when he discovered his wallet was missing? I hope you know answer for this too. Let us check the answer. And here is the answer. Instead of getting angry, Hari responded with understanding and kindness. Everyone right? Very good. Question number 3. What did Hari do to change Rahul's actions? This one is also easy. Let us check the answer. And the answer is Hari shared stories of his own life and showed genuine kindness. Right? Clap for yourself. Question number 4. What is the main lesson we can learn from this story? Okay, let us check the answer for this. And the answer is the story teaches us that forgiveness and kindness can have a positive impact, transforming even those who make mistakes. Everyone right? Very good. Question number 5. What is the moral of the story? And this question is easy to answer. Let us check the answer. And the answer is moral of the story is that being nice can change even those who make mistakes. Okay, I hope everybody's answer was correct. If yes, clap for yourself. I hope you all enjoyed today's story with me. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And do come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.